Hey everyone, welcome back to Stumper One channel. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting. Check out all my other videos. You'll see gardening, ATVing, car repairs, all that type of stuff. What do we got here today? LG machines. If you've got an LG front-loading machine and you've got a banging or a hammering noise when the machine is going through its cycle, especially on the cold water cycle. I'll show you what I've done here. I've got 3 easy fixes for this that you can do to eliminate or minimize, absolutely minimize your hammering or your banging. 2 different lines. Initially I had these steel braided lines. These are very tough, durable lines. Great, but they don't give as much. So I went to a rubber flexible line. This will reduce or eliminate. This is the first thing that I tried. I'll show you the next thing that I tried. Well, actually, I'll show you right now. I took the machine and I've moved it a few inches forward away from the wall. The reason being is that the water lines come directly out of the washing machine and there's not a lot of space in between. So when the lines drop down, they need to be able to move, obviously, when the water's turning on and turning off, when the solenoid is turning on and turning off. This can also create a water hammering. Third thing is, I'll grab the line here and we'll show you, grab the camera right away, is your water line. That's our cold water line there. Turn it down about 1/4 of a turn. Don't leave it fully open. Reduce the amount of pressure coming through or restrict it just a little bit. Just about 1/4 of a turn to 1/3 of a turn. That's about all that you need. I'm going to show you what I've done here. We'll grab the camera real quickly. So let's get over. Number 1, turn your tap down. I turned it down, like I said, about 1/4 of a turn. Number 2, install a longer rubber flexible line. Number 3 is I have moved my machine away from the wall because, let me grab my light there. You can see how tight it is between the wall and that. That can also create a hammering noise. Changing the lines. Went to a longer rubber flexible line to give you more give. And I went away from, even though these are great lines, a steel braided line because these are not as forgiving, not as flexible in the line. So there's your 3 easy things that you can do to either eliminate, which I've done on this one. I have eliminated my water hammering, or greatly reduce the water hammering, that banging sound that you get when that solenoid is turning on and turning off. If you have any questions or comments, leave them. I will answer them all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. As always, cheers. Have a great day. Pick up my camera and turn it off.